Alright, today we're going to go ahead and show you how to replace your Google search with the new Chrome extension from OpenAI that will use ChatGPT as your search engine basically. I go how to replace Google with ChatGPT. In my address bar, once I do that, you guys will see that now this goes to ChatGPT instead of going to google.com for the search. So boom, here we go, it's going through its search. You go to the so this is just the benefits of ChatGPT with the search capability. So pretty detailed explanation here. If you have any other questions, you can just go ahead and type that into the message bar here. What you guys are not seeing, just going to change the size. All right, so you can see here where this search button is selected, so anything you search for additionally will go out and browse the web. And here you can see that this lists all the sources that it used. So imagine you trying to go and look at, I don't know what, this is like 10 different pages to get the same information. It's just doing that in one quick chat session. So if you are using Chrome or Brave and you regularly use ChatGPT, try this out and see if that works for you. I've completely replaced Google at this point. I don't use Google search anymore. I just go straight to ChatGPT. All right, have a good Saturday. Bye-bye.